So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit image tint in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Design Wizard and import, or I guess add a photo into your design. So in order to do that, go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the elements option right here, press on it. Then under photos, I want you to go ahead and press on more. Now, what you can either do here is scroll through and find a photo that you like here, or you can go to the search bar. And how about you search up a photo of the United States of America, USA, just like that. So go ahead here and select this option right here of this American flag on what appears to be like a wooden deck or a wooden backdrop, whatever the case may be. So once that is imported, if you want to change the image tint, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top, make sure the image is selected, go to the top left, press on effects. Then scroll down to where it says tint right here. As of right now, the tint's on 0, but if you were to drag this little circle all the way to the right, you actually increase the tint on this photo. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can adjust or edit the image tint of an image here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.